In this video, we're diving into one of the most important parts of your course landing page, the page header section. Now think of this like the front door to your course platform. It's the very first thing your visitors are going to see when they land on your page, so you want it to be clear, compelling, and visually appealing. If you're starting with a blank page, you'll need to add the page header manually. Just click on Header to get started. But if you're using the homepage template, the page header is already there by default. Don't leave it as it is. This is your chance to grab attention and clearly show what your course is all about. Here's what you can customize. First, log into your course platform and click on the Page Builder tab. Then click on your homepage or the landing page you want to edit. Locate the page header section under Page Settings and click on it. You've got space for a main heading, a subheading, and even a short description. This is where you want to communicate your value, what your course or platform is all about, and why someone should stick around. Think, what transformation are you offering? What problem are you solving? Then you can add an image or a video, totally up to you. If you've got a great explainer video or a personal welcome message, this is a perfect spot for it. If not, no stress, the AI image generator can help you create a visual that still makes your page pop. Note that you can also hide or unhide your image or video. You can enable or disable background shadow for your media. You can also choose a blending mode from the drop-down options, set the opacity level, blurriness, make it grayscale if you want, and set the contrast level as you deem fit. Now let's talk buttons. You can add a call to action button that links directly to your course sales page, enrollment form, or whatever action you want your visitors to take. Keep it simple. Something like Start Learning, View Courses, or Join Now all work well. And here's a pro tip. Hop over to the Design tab. You can change the layout by setting your block style, text alignment, and media alignment. You can also change the background padding, border radius, color, background image. You can upload an image or use the AI to generate one, and even use custom CSS if you want to get fancy with your styling. But honestly, even without coding, the built-in design options give you plenty of flexibility. Note that you can duplicate this section if need be, or delete it if you don't want it anymore. The choice is yours. Click Save once you're done. Your page header should look something like this. So bottom line, your page header is your first impression. Make it count. Use strong, benefit-driven text, pair it with a clean visual, and guide your visitor toward action. And if you're stuck, the AI assistant is always there to help. All right, that's it for the page header section. See you in the next video.